1 kg boneless meat, 3 tablespoon almond paste, 2 tablespoon red chili paste, 1 cup curd, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, whole garam masala, 1 and a half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half kg sliced onion, 2 lemons, almonds for garnishing. Flatten the meat. Marinate it with lemon juice. Mix it well. In a cooker, heat 1 cup oil. Now add whole garam masala. Now add onions and fry it till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add red chili paste, coriander powder, salt and almond paste and mix it well. Add curd and mix it well. Add meat and intermingle it with masala. Now simmer it for a few minutes. Now close the lid and cook it until 5 whistles. Now your tasty Badami Pasande are ready.